Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Isaac and I'm a full-time digital marketer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my first ever workspace setup up as a digital marketer. It has always been a kind of thing for me to have a workspace that I can call my own productive moment. And I've just successfully done that for the first time ever, and I'm thrilled to show every one of you what I got on my desk and how I intended to use every one of them. The truth is, your workspace setup can really be the proof of your growth as a freelancer or anybody in the tech space. Right? So let's dive right in and see what I got on my desk. So yeah, this is everything I have in front of me at the moment, and this is how I plan on using every one of them. Starting with this keyboard. It is a wireless keyboard with 2.4G connection. It is relatively fast and everything I need to do my work at the moment. I got this from AliExpress for around $45. Yes, it is very cheap. So, and talking about this mouse, it is also wireless as well. It also has 2.4G connection. It is very fast and everything I need to do my work as well. Now this desk mat as well, I struggled a lot before I see this one because I've been looking for it on Instagram, on everywhere to actually see something like this that I can use for my work, and to my surprise I found a lot of it on AliExpress and I just bought it there. I forgot the price, but it shouldn't be up to 20 USD. It was cheap actually. So let's talk about this iPad as well. This is an iPad 2022, the 10th generation model with configuration of 4G and 4 gig of RAM and 128 gig of RAM. It is very fast as well, and that is everything I need when I don't want to be tied to my PC every time. So it makes me work as if I'm not working at all. I enjoy working on this iPad a lot more than my computer. But this workspace actually proved me wrong because I love it here rather than the iPad itself. Now that's that about the iPad. Let's talk about this monitor. This is a 24-inch monitor, HP monitor actually. It is I think the model is 524 SF. Yeah, 24 inches. I got it. So it is HD monitor and it is everything I need to do my work perfectly at the moment. I love it so much and I've been using that since I got it. So now let's talk about this guy, which is the main powerhouse of this whole setup, which is my MacBook Pro 2018 with the configuration 16 gig of RAM and 512 gig of memory. It is very fast and it does my work, so there's no need to change nothing. When I got this monitor, I found out I'll be needing something to actually connect it. I didn't know anything about docking station, but this made me to know something about it. So I got this from AliExpress as well. It is Mokin docking station. I didn't know something like this existed until I got it. It's actually great to explore. Okay, so let's talk about this guy as well. This is a professional microphone that I got for around $50 on Amazon. So that's everything I have on my desk right now. And sometimes I used to read books so I can stay productive and do a lot more. I'm feeding my mind actually. So the desk is electric adjustable desk. I got that here in Nigeria. So if you need my Fender, you can reach out if you're in Nigeria. And the chair that I'm sitting on as well, I also got that right here in Nigeria. So I'm happy I did this. It is the first time I'm doing something like this, and it is a proof of growth. Yeah, I call it proof of growth, and I'm happy about it. So if you watch this video to this extent, that simply makes you a legend. Yeah, shout out to you. So if you're landing on this video for the first time, do well to subscribe to the channel. I am a full-time digital marketer, and what I hope to keep saying on this channel is to explain my working process and teach existing freelancers how to become a better freelancer. I mean, if you're looking to make money online, maybe you don't even know how to start, maybe not freelancing, maybe nothing, but this channel is going to help you start to make money online. Yeah, you can subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be dropping a lot more videos that help you. Thank you for today. See you in my next video.